Welcome to another Simple Dad Twitter tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what Twitter Circle is and how to use it. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So a new feature called Twitter Circle has been launched, and it lets you choose the people you want to share your tweets with. However, the feature is only available to a few handful of people, and if you're lucky, you can create your very own circle on the platform with it. Twitter Circle allows you to include up to 150 members, and only they can see what you tweet. The only downside to this is the users who are in this circle cannot retweet what you've shared, and all the information is confined to the group that you've made. And you cannot have more than one circle at a time. So let me show you how to find out if you're the selected one for Twitter Circle. First, make sure you update your app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Play Store and updating your Twitter app. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now tap on the plus sign to compose a tweet. And if this is your first time and you're the selected one, you'll see the screen. I have a screenshot which I've taken before. On this screen, you can tap on Get Started. Now in the next screen, it'll show you how Twitter Circle works. So first, you'll need to add your people to your circle. Next, you can tweet your thoughts, and this will only go to the people in the circle. And lastly, if you want to add more people or remove people, then you can do this at the later stage. So here first, let me tap on the plus sign to tweet something. Now where it says public, I'll change this to Twitter Circle. And then tap on edit. Now where it says recommended, tap on that. Here you'll see all the recommended people, or you can use the search feature to search for people. So go ahead and add the users. So I've added 2 people in my circle. Now I can press X and I can basically tweet something to my Twitter Circle. And that's it. So the people in your circle can only see this tweet. As you can see, I'll go back into my profile and you can see my tweet here, and it says basically only people in this Twitter circle can see this tweet. And that is what Twitter Circle is and how it works. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.